Alright, this video is a tire pump comparison. We've got a Victor Auto Stop right here. It's supposed to fill a tire in 5 minutes. And then this airtight tire inflator is supposed to do 4 minutes. What I'm doing today is going to test them out. I'm going to time them, see which one actually does better. I'm not going to put the tire all the way down to 0, but I'm going to put it at 10 psi and fill it up with both of these, and we'll see how they do. These are not available on Amazon or Advanced or anywhere like that. I'll put some links to them, but I think I got both of them off of Rock Auto. This one I know is available on Summit Racing, but these are both just kind of generic tire inflator brands. There's a lot of them that are really similar to these, but we're going to put them to the test. All right, before we see the results of this video, this one ends up being a piece of junk. You can see it already broke just on the test. So somebody give me a recommendation for something to buy off of Amazon. I want to give it a review. I want a better tire inflator because this one's not good. But now we'll get into the actual video that goes over this test. Alright, so now I'm going to actually do 12 psi because that's the lowest I can get a read on here, but they're both at 12 psi. We're going to get it hooked up and ready to go. Alright, here it is hooked up. I will say this has this really long cable on it, which is pretty nice, so you can put this on the ground and still have room to hook it up. Timer on my phone. We're going to see how long it takes. Alright, so unfortunately my video cut out after this point, but it goes on for 6 minutes. It was right at 6 minutes to go from 12 psi up to 35 psi, and that was the final result for this pump. Alright, I'm throwing in the towel on this one. Just over 10 minutes and it's still not even up to 25 psi yet. Alright, so the new message of this video is don't buy one of these airtight inflators. I'll put a link so you know what I'm talking about, but don't buy it. You can see I had that thing hooked up for 10 minutes. Started at 15 psi and it got me to what it said was about 24. So pretty bad, but it was actually, this gauge isn't accurate and it was actually reading about 29. It says 4 minutes, but then if you read close right here, it's actually based on a 175/70 R13 tire, which is tiny. It's like smaller than what's here on the Bug. Yeah, nobody uses those tires in their car. It is advertised for Moto, ATV, and Auto. But yeah, don't buy one of these. This one still worked pretty well. It's about 44 bucks, 45. This one was like 20. Oh, look at that. I didn't even, I just tried to pick it up and broke the thing. Good grief. This is gonna be a how about no from me. So of the two, clear winner right here. This one even has a longer cable. It's got a big light up there and it's auto shut off. It's got digital. Don't get one of these. This is a piece of junk, as you can see.